Wait, before you step into new year, you need to answer this honestly. How many times did you say I will change next year, and how many times you actually did? We make promises every new year, we make plans, we make goals, we write resolutions.
And after 10 days, we forget everything.
And let's be honest, we all want a better life, more money, more success, and a better version of ourselves. But we spend our day scrolling, overthinking, and planning instead of actually doing it. So today I am breaking this cycle with you. This time let's do something different. Hi everyone, I am Priya and welcome to a very special video on Priya's Little DIY. Get ready with us for New Year 2026. You deserve a fresh start and today I will help you to create one. 2026 should not be another year. It should be your year. And this DIYs will help you make it happen. So if you are ready to make 2026 best year, let's start. DIY number 1. You know what? Your surroundings decide your motivation. If your room has clutter, your mind has to. If your walls has no goals, then your ear has no directions. Okay, now first let's create your 2026 vision board. Because law of attraction says what you see every day becomes your reality. Now for making a vision board we need a chart paper. Now here I have taken some printout from Pinterest. I have already divided the chart paper into 6 parts, that is health, peace, growth, career, money and travel. And now I am separating each one according to their topics. If you are a student or preparing for some exam, you can also add a section of study here. So this is how it looks now. There are still some empty spaces here and I am going to fill them now. Now these are my handmade things and I am going to stick them like this. I have put this vision board on my wall and added fairy lights around it. How does it look? Let me know in the comments. Let's move to next DIY. DIY number 2. 52-week money challenge box. Now let's make a 52-week money challenge box. Now for this I have taken this box and covered this with the paper and also added a label to it. Now we require some tiny piece of paper. Now I am writing some numbers on it like 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 up to how much you can save each week. And these are 52 in number. Now I am folding them and adding to the box. So my money saving box is now ready. Now each week what you have to do is take out one chit from it and save the amount written on it. At the end of the year you will see that you have saved 1,000 of rupees. I use this gullak to save my money. It is full now and I have to buy new one for New Year. This box is not just a saving tool, but it is a reminder that you can achieve big things within small steps. DIY number 3, the gratitude box. This one is my favorite because when you focus on good things, life gives you more good things. Now for gratitude jar, I am using this rasgulle ka dabba and making a hole in the middle. And now covering it with this paper. After covering, I have labeled it as a gratitude box. I am also attaching a side space to add some papers in it, and this is how it looks now. I have already cutted some tiny pieces of paper and I am going to keep it in the space. At the end of the day, take the piece of paper and write the thing that you are thankful for and keep it into the box. So our gratitude box is now ready. At the end of the year, when you will open this jar, you will find that 2026 was full of moments. DIY number 4, habit tracker. For a habit tracker, I have taken this print because I found it very easy. And what you have to do is just write down your habits and track them every day by ticking the boxes. You can add the habits like waking up early, meditation, then study, and whatever you want to add as a habit. This habit tracker will show you your consistency, your efforts, and your growth. Because motivation doesn't build your year, but the consistency does. DIY number 5, morning positive affirmations. For this, I have taken thin cardboard, I have cutted them and colored them like this. Now I am going to punch each of them so we can tie it with a thread. These all are looking very cute and very colorful. Now write a positive affirmation on each of them, and each one should be different. I have used Pinterest as well as ChatGPT for personalization, and these are my affirmation cards ready. Tell me in the comments if you like this. Now just tying it with the thread so we can easily turn them around. So now our morning affirmation cards are now ready. Every morning pick a card and start your day. This is how you will train your mind to attract good things. DIY number 6, mood tracker. I have again taken the print here and all the months are on the same page. You can even draw it if you want. Now I am using 3 different color pens for different moods. Pink represents happy or productive, yellow represents neutral or okay, and red represents sad or low. I have also added the title that 365 days of learning my own heart. I hope you like this calendar and the idea of it.
This DIY will help you to understand your emotions, keep you consistent, and help you know yourself more better.
At the end, I want to tell you 2026 won't change you, only you will. No one else can change you. These DIYs are not just craft, but these are the reminder of your dream, your worth, and your discipline. Put them around you, look at them every day, and you will see the real change. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in next video. Happy New Year. I think he want to speak so much. Well, yeah.